The Brahma is an American breed of chicken. It was bred in the United States from birds imported from the Chinese port of Shanghai, and was the principal American meat breed from the 1850s until about 1930. History. There has been controversy and confusion over the origin of the Brahma. It appears to have developed in the United States from large birds, with heavily feathered legs, imported in the 1840s from the Chinese port of Shanghai, and thus known as Shanghai birds. The distinctive head shape and pea comb of the Brahma probably result from crossbreeding with gray chittagong birds of Malay type, imported from Chittagong in eastern Bengal, now Bangladesh. These characteristics distinguish the Brahma from the Cochin, which also derives from Shanghai birds. At first there were many different strains and at least a dozen different names for the breed. At a meeting of poultry judges in Boston in 1852, agreement was reached to name it Brahmaputra. This later became Brahma. Brahmas were first exported to England in December 1852, when George Burnham sent 9 grey Shengus to Queen Victoria as a gift. The dark Brahma variety was developed by English breeders from this stock, and later re-exported to the United States. Both the light and the dark penciled Brahma were included in the first Standard of Excellence, published by the original Poultry Club of Great Britain in 1865. Both were included in the first Standard of Perfection of the American Poultry Association, published in 1874. The buff variant was added in 1924 or 1929. The Brahma was the principal meat breed in the United States from the 1850s until about 1930. Some birds were very large. Weights of about 8 kilograms 18 pounds for cocks and 6 kilograms 13 pounds for hens were recorded. Characteristics. 3 color varieties are recognized in the American Standard of Perfection: light, dark, and buff. The light Brahma has a base color of white, with black hackles edged in white and a black tail. The saddle feathers of the cock are striped with black. The dark Brahma has the most notable difference between cock and hen. The hen has a dark gray and black penciled coloration with the same hackle as the light, whereas the cock has black and white hackles and saddle feathers, and a black base and tail. The wings are white-shouldered, and the primary feathers are edged with white. The buff Brahma has the same pattern of black as the light, but with a golden buff base color instead of white. The Australian Poultry Association has accepted black, blue, partridge, Creole and barred varieties of Brahma in addition to the standard light, dark, and buff. Weight averages about 5.5 kilograms 12 pounds for cocks and 4.5 kilograms 10 pounds for hens. Uses. The Brahma was an important meat breed in the United States from the 1850s until about 1930. It is a good winter layer of large brown eggs, 5 which weigh approximately 55 to 60 g. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit notification bell. Goodbye and see you in the next video.